guys, so in today's lesson we're going to be looking at a cracking song. This one's called Get Lucky by Daft Punk, Pharrell Williams. Brilliant song for beginners. It's literally just got 4 chords that repeat the whole way through, or anyone that just wants a new song to learn. Yeah, it's great for that. So let's get learning them chords. Okay guys, so as mentioned in the intro, this one's super easy. Literally just got 4 chords repeat the whole way through. Capo needs to be on fret number 2, as you'll see, to play in the original key. First chord we need is an A minor. That's second string up from the bottom, number 1. String above 2, string above that, fret 2. Then we strum all the strings except the thickest one. But you can pop that thumb over the top and mute that low E string and strum that one as well. Next chord we need is a C. That's second string up from the bottom, number 1. Third one down from the top, 2. String above that, fret 3. Strum all the strings except the top again. Again, thumb can go over the top and mute if you want to for that one. That's for your C chord. Then we have an E minor. Second string down from the top, 2. String underneath, fret 2. Strum all the strings. Then we have a D. Third one up from the bottom, 2. Bottom string 2. Middle string, fret 3. Strum the bottom 4 strings. And that is it. So let's go through them chords again. That was A minor, C, E minor, and D. And it literally just repeats them chords the entire way through the song in that order. Cool, now we've got the chords down, let's move on to the strumming pattern. Okay guys, so now we've got the chords down, we're going to learn the strumming pattern. Now, just a quick recap, chords are A minor, C, E minor, D, and it just repeats that the whole way through. Strumming pattern we're going to use for this, we're going to try and keep it like the original, is down, 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 up, down, down. Same on the C, down, 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 up, down, down. E minor, D. Let's do that again. So it was down, 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 up, down, down. C. Down, 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 up, down, down. Same on the E minor. Down, 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 up, down, down. Same on the D. Yeah, and it just repeats that the whole way through the song. Just to note, the first chord comes in over the word like a legend of the phoenix, and you come in over that word. So over the word phoenix, that's where your first A minor chord comes in. Yeah, cool. So there's your strumming pattern, it just repeats the whole way through. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson on Get Lucky. Yeah, just been a super easy one today. So yeah, if you've enjoyed it, please do smash that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you again in the next one.